Command Enter, Command J, Command K. What am I doing? I'm writing another letter to my neighbor about his dog using my porch as a toilet. But anyway, let me show you some of the shortcuts you'll want to know to speed up your writing inside of a document. If you have boss mode, first write out your command and then run your command by pressing Command and Enter on a Mac or Control and Enter on a PC. Jarvis reads the instructions you wrote and does his best to follow them. If you use Command Shift Enter to run a command, it'll keep that command visible on the page afterwards. When you hit Command K, you'll see a window pop up showing a history of past commands you've used. You can run any of these simply by clicking on one of them. To have Jarvis continue writing sentences, click Compose in the bottom left, or use Command J and he will continue writing wherever your cursor is currently at. Another helpful shortcut is Command /. This lets Jarvis rerun whatever was just written. Hit Command Z to undo the last text that was written. And finally, if you type 3 asterisks anywhere in the document, it prevents Jarvis from reading the text above it. This is particularly helpful if Jarvis is repeating content that's already been written, or you just want to switch topics completely. Jarvis makes writing faster. Shortcuts makes it faster. To see a list of all shortcuts, visit jarvis.ai/shortcuts, or go to the Help Center and search Shortcuts. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got an angry email to get back to.